very easy nail art with the help of the stamper. I've got my old stamper here, guys, and then the Purple Rain 242 from Upvoted range. Just slap it in on your stamper, apply it really nice and thin like, and then white French gel. I choose this gel because it is really highly pigmented, so it will help me achieve a really nice results. Pick up another scoop and do a couple more dots. Do not mix the colors too well because they will kind of mix on their own when we do apply the stamper. Then take your nail, pick up the stamper, and go with your nail on the place when there is no product. You don't want to go in the middle, just where there is no product, otherwise you will go really messy. And then go in, create your smile line, like nice and in and out, depending on the thickness and the shape of it you want it. Like you can go really thin like this, or you can make your smile line much thicker. I'm just going in and applying more. So in, going more, higher up. And then this way we have created a really beautiful marble.